My name is Gary McEldowney. I'm the superintendent of schools here at Sioux Center Community Schools. We're here in Sioux Center, Iowa. Speaking directly to the Carl A. Nelson employees, spending time and getting to know Mark Hall, Marcus DePalma, and Nick Liston. I mean, two of those guys lived in our community for over 2 years, basically. And they're always, they were very intentional about understanding what our community was about. And they've been praised greatly by the local people that worked on this project for their professionalism and for being strong advocates for our school. That's what you want to hear. They found a way to lead. They found a way to be strong and to be firm and to be the best advocate they could for us as a school and a community. And they did it with a high level of mutual respect from the people that were doing the work. I think that that speaks volumes, and just that's what you want in any project, I would assume. So maybe that doesn't happen everywhere, but it happened here, and I was very blessed to be a part of that. The thing that stands out to me about the three of them individually but yet collectively was how they did things professionally. They got when people needed to be reminded, when deadlines were coming. Of course, I'm not privy to all the conversations that happened, because that's crazy because of the magnitude of all the conversations that happened. But they held people accountable, and they treated people with respect and professionalism. And I think that that's something that if your people being called out, but yet understand that there's a reason for it with the timeliness of things, I think you get better results. So I think they strike a really good balance of being demanding, yet not crossing that line of where it becomes unprofessional. I think they do that exceptionally well. I feel like obviously we had an experienced team here. There's no doubt about that. And had worked on a wide range of different projects, you know, in some cases all over the country. And our school board, we connected very quickly with them, and we appreciated them coming to the school board meetings. Our buildings and grounds guy, Travis Roseboom, has a great background with construction, and that was a huge help for this project from the school's perspective. So he connected really well. He could speak the same language and talk through different things with them, and they were very supportive and kept us in the loop. The communication was unbelievable. We communicated continuously about different things, and even little things people might see as little things in a project this big. I always felt like there were very few surprises ever. We were very diligent in communicating, and if it wasn't with me specifically, our buildings and grounds guy or our building principal or assistant principal, AD, they were very approachable through the process. You know, when we were looking at the design and tweaking some of that and different things. Some of our teachers in the high school felt, you know, very comfortable that they could talk to them about different things, and yeah, very, very available and very willing to, you know, in my case, being a novice person building this, I probably asked 3,000 stupid questions, but they never made me feel foolish when I asked any of them, and were very willing to explain, and so I understood at a lot better level. So I always appreciated that. I just been very impressed with the people, the quality and the integrity of the people that are doing the work, and accessibility. You know, we live in a very immediate, accessible 24/7 world, and you try to be respectful of each other's time, but things getting done needed to get done, and we established very quickly a very, very comfortable shared back and forth of availability, because we were on the same page to move forward with things. So always accessible, highest integrity.